Hi guys, I'm back with another dog short, but I want to let you guys know that these dogs unfortunately are not with us. They actually already left. However, I still have the footage for the dogs that we have for today's dog short, and since I still have the pictures of the dogs that we're going to mention for this video, we're back to begin, of course, dog short number 66 with Baron, the male white and black dog, and Brittany, the brown female dog. So let me showcase the pictures, and that's going to be it for the video, and we'll see you next time.